Hey Nash, it's almost Thanksgiving. What should we make?
We still have a couple turkeys left from the ones I got us. Let's try smoking one of them.
All right, let's smoke a whole turkey. With Thanksgiving quickly approaching, it's time to make another turkey. This time we're gonna make the turkey, we're gonna keep it whole, we're gonna keep it all together this time, and we are gonna smoke it. So not a lot of work, still takes a while to cook, but not a lot of work, should be really good. And hey, let's see if it's as good as the other one. Let's go. All right, so this time around, we're gonna keep our turkey whole. So same sort of routine though, get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this. Now this guy's not really cooperating because he wants to sit crooked, but I guess we're gonna have to just go with it. So the first thing we're gonna do is just kind of slather this guy with butter. So you wanna make sure it's all fully dry first. Okay, so I'm making a big mess, but you kind of get the picture. So the first thing we're gonna do is take our legs and we're just gonna tie these guys up so they sit like that. And then with the wings, you see how they're just tucked underneath? That should work just fine. Now we're just gonna hit this guy all over with some poultry seasoning. And a little bit of barbecue rub. Now, we're just gonna put some liquid in the water pan, probably some water and some chicken stock. So what you could do is you could bake it or smoke it like this on a rack. This isn't actually a rack, this is, well, the rack from the smoker. But you could put a wire rack in here so you have a little bit of room and throw some like vegetables and some seasonings underneath with some water or some chicken stock. And that'll kind of help the turkey stay moist. But we're gonna go ahead and smoke this guy. Man, I made a huge mess. All right, and I totally forgot a step. We're gonna take this little injector and a mixture of melted butter and some chicken broth. And we're just gonna poke it into each breast. Now we go in the smoker. So here's my nasty pan. I accidentally left some stuff in the oven. I think it was some sort of steak fries. Left them in the oven for way too long. So the pan's actually clean. It's just kind of stuck that way. Anyways, our smoked turkey is done. I'm just gonna go grab it. And there's our smoked turkey. It's got a nice crust. It's actually looking pretty darn good. So we're gonna let this guy cool and then we'll carve it. All right, so here's our smoked turkey. It's nice and cooled down a little bit. Let's just go ahead and get rid of this butcher's twine. We got some butchering to do, so first thing I'm gonna do is take this thigh and leg thing off. Now look, there's our butter injection. So there we go, there's our thigh and our leg. Oh, we kind of missed the thigh on that one, didn't we? There we go. And then let's do these wings. There's our wing. There's our other wing. And now for the fun part. To do this, first I need to wash my hands. All right, so now this turkey just doesn't wanna, you find the breastbone and just cut along. There's a couple ways to do this. Some people like to shave it like this. I actually like doing it this way, so you get to pick which one you wanna do. And there's a breast. Ah, hot. There's our other breast. Now with this carcass, I think I might throw this in the stock pot. So now, the only thing we really need to cut is the breast. So I'm just gonna try to leave the skin on here. And there is our beautiful smoked turkey. Time for a bite. Cheers. Wow. It's fantastic. To be honest, I've never smoked a whole turkey before, but that one might actually rival the maple glaze one that I thought was my favorite. The skin is nice and crispy, got a ton of flavor from that rub, but the bird is just so damn juicy. I mean, I just ate a piece of breast and it's super, super juicy, tender, just really darn good. So, shoot, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey buddy, look at you and your little Thanksgiving bandana. You got that smoked turkey you wanted. Here you go. I still don't know where you got all those birds from. What do you think?
Damn, that is good. That smoker definitely levels things up.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
And now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love.
Nash approves. I definitely approve. This was a really, really good way to cook a bird. Took a long time. I think all in all it was about 5 hours cook time. But the prep's pretty easy. Taking it down at the end isn't too hard, so not a bad way to do it. Probably better than any whole bird I've ever cooked in the oven or had cooked in an oven. So the smokers definitely adds another element to it. But breaking it down works too. So hey, you got options. You got options. Either way, happy Thanksgiving to you and yours. Go spend some time with your family, even if you think you hate each other because of the election. Love is love. Love is all that matters. So speaking of love you all. Thank you so much for watching. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, it'd mean a lot to us. It'd really help us out. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, drop that in the comments. Or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. Just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Happy Thanksgiving. Peace.